Investment in Ghana. How to invest in Ghana. 100 cedis to 10,000 Ghana cedis. Yes, I'm going to show you how to do it. All you have to do is to install this app called Achieve from Play Store right on your phone. And then this is how the dashboard looks like when you install it. They give you the opportunity to save or invest in the Eurobond Trust. Okay, so when you look here, it says that you can save in the USD, and then you are going to earn 8.20% on your investment. Okay, you can also go with the DigiSave, whereby you are also going to earn 15.58% on your savings for the last 12 months. Okay, so let's go with the first one, which is the Eurobond first, and then I'm going to show you how it is being done. So all I have to do is to just click on invest, and then it is going to bring you all this. Just take your time and then read through it. It is very important. You are putting your money into it, so take your time and then read through each of them. Okay, so when you are done and then you are convinced that you have read a lot, just click on continue. Then they are going to present you with the terms and conditions of the investment, which is very long, but take your time and then read through it. They are going to give you the location too if you have any issues, and then you can contact them through this phone number. It is very necessary to take note of all this. The next thing is to name your account. Okay, after naming it, what I have to do is to top up. When you look at the down here, you can click on top up. Before then, we have these terms that if you don't understand, just click on the three dots, and then it is going to give you everything about these terms that you do not understand. And then when you are okay and you are ready to invest, just click on top up. Then put in the amount of money, let's say 500 cedis, and then they are going to show you the charges when you go with the Momo or the debit card as well. So you can choose any of them. You can use the mobile wallet, or you can use the debit or the credit card. Okay. So when you use the mobile wallet, all I have to do is to just add your wallet. So we are going to fill all these informations. I am going to take you through how to do it a step-by-step way. Okay. So as I said, you can go with the mobile money payment or top up over here. Okay. So when you select you want to go with the mobile money top up, all I have to do is to input your wallet name. So the name on the wallet, you input it, then you select the wallet, either it being MTN or any of the wallets. Then you input your phone number here, your mobile money wallet number, then you click on continue. They are going to send a 6-digit number to the phone, and then you are going to input it right here, just as I am doing mine, and then just hit on continue. After that, you are going to choose the mobile money account, and then you click on proceed. So that is how it is being done. You can also use the debit or the credit card as well, whereby you can choose from the Visa or the MasterCard or any of these, the Express card as well. So when you go with the Visa or the MasterCard, you have to just input the card number here, the correct one, then the name on the card, the expiring date, and then the code as well. Then you can hit on continue. Make sure to input in the right number. So how can you turn 100 cedis into 10,000 Ghana cedis? It is very easy. All I have to do is to set a target and then wait for it to compound. Okay, with Achieve, it is very easy to set a target and then achieve it. So thank you for watching this video. Just like it, and then see you in my next video.